Hello children, now let us see letter sounds. Fox, fogs, GOAT, goat, HOUSE, house, IRON, iron, JACKET, jacket, FOOT, foot, GATE, gate, HAND, hand, ICE, eyes, JACK, FRUIT, jackfruit, FISH, fish, GIRL, girl, HUT, hut, INKPOT, ink pot, JUG, jug,